Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you will know how to create HTML welcome page. Before going to start to creating a simple welcome page, I will explain you how to create a project structure for HTML web application or web project. For that, I'm using here like a Sublime text editor, or you can go with using of your favorite editor, whichever you comfortable. And in this lecture I'm showing you how to create a project structure, and for the segregation of the images and calling the external files, and the structure, basic structure I'll show you first. And we'll initiate a welcome page of HTML for these lectures and the demo purpose. Let's begin the session here. Now see here, when you go to the Windows operating system, select Start button and choose the Sublime Text Editor. Once you have to install Sublime Text Editor if you are not having, and click here Sublime Text Editor. This is a window you have seen perfectly. Now you come back to your desktop, minimize the window. Now what I'm doing here, creating a new folder called web demo. You go to enter the folder, just hit enter and open the folder. See, this is the folder I have opened, web demo. Enter that folder. You can create 4 more directories. For one directory for CSS, cascading style sheets, and another one directory for a simple small letters JS, for especially for JavaScript, and one more directory I'm creating for like images. Okay, and you can create one more directory for documents, or if you want to create for any bootstrap files, yes, you can create over here. All right, now what I'm doing, open this Sublime editor and see here project, open project, go to the open project, and now go to the desktop, find out the desktop here. This is the operating system is Windows 10. All you have to understand about the operating system, where I am continuing and explaining about this training session completely. Okay, and now desktop, when I have selected, open this web demo project. Now see, these are the folders and all here. Okay, open it. Just simply click open and open. Just a second. Before opening, just see, go here, project, and add folder to the project. This is the thing we have to do. If it is already open, we have to choose for open project, and the folder is not added here. On left pane, you observe here, there is nothing. So you go to add folder to project and choose the project where it is created of the folder, this one. Select, it is coming here, the folders and a web demo. If you expand this, these are the things are here, right? Now what you will do is new file, take a file, click new file, it will opens like this, and select save. This is the option you can use for Control S. We are saving the file inside our project. Where is our project is created? Under desktop, web demo, and here I can type welcome.html. The HTML form will have an extension of a form name, extension is .html, that you should remember very strongly. Save it. Once you save the folder like a file of HTML, you see here it is created here called welcome.html. Very simply. Now we are going to writing a simple welcome page about it to hello world. That's it. About this section and this uh, session, especially we are going to creating welcome, how we are going to creating HTML page, and how we are going to run the page, and we are able to see the browser. It's a welcome how it is coming. Very simple, pretty simple lecture. Okay, just see here, take shift 10 less than and type HTML. Once you initiated the HTML code, it is displaying that HTML, it is coming from IDE. IDE means Sublime Text Editor. It is showing something, it is relevant to that name. So you just press tab. Once you press the tab key from your keyboard, there is a left frame, you will have an on keyboard, on left frame you will get that tab key. You just press tab key, that's it. These all the lines, I didn't written any line here. Very simply you will get all these lines. Okay, now the meaning of these lines is very important. What I can say you like, this is the line is not doc type HTML, indicates this is the HTML5 document header. It is going to be indicating, right? Now again, it is created for HTML tag. These are the tags one by one. We call it as in the tags. This is the HTML tag, head tag, title tag, body tag. These all are. In HTML, we are having like a code structure is there everywhere. If it is HTML tag is initiated, there would be an end tag. The structure is like that. Open and HTML document will open with HTML, ends with HTML tag. In between, we have to write what the code of HTML we are going to prepare. And after HTML tag, it is initiated for head tag. Head tag will have title of the page. By default, it is coming here from this editor. And a title and what are the CSS, style sheets and JavaScript files, which is maybe internal code or external files we are going to be calling using link option. All will comes under head tag itself. Means within the head tag only we have to write all these things. By pressing this, you will have in a lines, many lines you write here. Like what I can say that right here. Okay. Now, and the body tag will give you an option like what the content to be present and display at the HTML form. This is the text, it will be displayed on HTML web page, where it may be the content, styles, design, tables, and images and frames, anything, colors, anything what you have put in this within the body tag, maybe forms and all, it will comes to display over there. Now I am making it as a title as web development course title, and once the title is created, I am writing here hello world. That's it, nothing more. Hello world, one single line I have written here, and within the body I have prepared for this hello world. Okay, now see here, if I want to run this, make it as a save. First you have to press the file and press save, or else you can go with the keyboard shortcut of the key will tell you like a control S. If you press control with S, hold the control key and press the S, means the document will save. Now you anywhere in the area of this form, you just press right click of your mouse and open in browser. Select the option from the right click, open in browser. Just see here, one browser is Internet Explorer is opened here, and now see here hello world. Wow, you very simply you have created welcome.html form with ease. And if you want to see the same thing at your favorite browser of Google Chrome or any other browser, copy this URL by selecting and take the right click and make it as a copy. Okay, copy and open the browser of Google Chrome, paste over here. Just see now, hello world. That's it. The creation of basic HTML form is pretty easy. And if you want to see that one more line the word of welcome, welcome here. Just simple. And once you type this information, you need to save this by pressing the Control S, save, and open the browser and refresh. That's it. That's it. Welcome here. I hope you are familiar to create a folder and calling the Sublime text editor or anywhere. The structure, very clean structure you need to prepare for HTML forms and pages. Whenever you want to integrate an image, you can place this folder and give the specify the path. The organization, the skeleton of the project we have seen here, and try to make it as a segregation all the things. If it is a CSS file, you can put it under this folder, and if it is an image, you can put here. If it is a JavaScript related file, you can put under this folder and make them paths and all. You will learn in our next lectures. We'll learn many things like calling external files, internal files, and all. Even images, how to integrate from the folder, everything you would be learn. I hope you are very much pretty understand and how to prepare your HTML form, and you are aware of this, and you learned the things many. And similarly, I would like to explain you one more thing. If you have written HTML form and you have saved the document, now this is the folder we have created for the project. Now, if you want to run this welcome.html form, just right click here and open with, go to your browser, any of the browser of your favorite. This is Google Chrome. I'm showing you demonstration. See, it is coming. That's it. HTML would be like this. Need not to run anything, and any server is not required to run this HTML, and straight away the browser will run and it will show you the output. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.